So if we have our own business, so people will thinking we will also, this is not foreign religion. They didn't got any money from anywhere. They are working, they are hard working, their pastors are busy for work and do ministry. And also we will go anywhere in the village, deep village, where our tribals are living. We will directly go, and if we will say we are a Christian worker, we are coming to say good news, they are thinking they are, yeah, the people to come to convert us. But when we are going to call them to work, nothing, nobody will catch, nothing will say, and we will bring them our workplace, we will share. There is a big opportunity to say gospel, great commission. We will say, there's a God, you love me, and we will meet them, we will mingle with them, because we have to give money. And that's the second. Third thing is, in Kerala, there is so many people there, they don't have job, and church believers also, there are so many, they don't have job. We can give it job. And third thing is church growth. When in the church, that you don't know, when I am seeing in the cities, the people are working in the government office, business people, their churches very nice, very good church they make. Today morning, me and Jojo went to Karuna. We three of us went to one tribal church. They are very poor. They don't have fan. They don't have anything in. They don't have good building also. If we will start that business like that, we will give more value for believers. They will work. They will get good money, and it will helpful for growth of church growth. It will our growth church, they will tithe, they have money, they will tithe it. They will buy a fan, they will buy their own chair, they have money to journey to other place and move, tell to people to we have a we are believing in the living Lord Jesus Christ. So that's the opportunity. They have income, they have job, and they have opportunity to say these few things. I think not these few things. There's a lot of things, because if we in India, and if we have every Sunday gathering, because rest of the 6 days they are all going to the work. Where they working going, they're going to world. The people will converting people. They don't go Christianity is bad, blah blah blah. They will converting back to people that Hinduism and tribalism. They will calling back them. If after the Christ, if they will come to church, then join to work, so they will get it a good word in church also, and faith words, and growing himself in the working field also, because there are believers. So this is very good. This is very good idea, Jojo and Karuna. You put you say, talking about that things. I'm proud of you people, because so many people are coming here. They have so many ideas, but that is not workout. This is workout. People will know it. The Christianity is not for foreigner. This is for living Christ. This is a life. They are working. They are doing ministry. I'm so happy for these things. Thank you.
Yeah, so please be praying for the work here and what God's been doing here, before the world began, and pray for this endeavor and for seeds to come through. And we have located a land. It's about 16 acres, so it's a lot. And so we'll be visiting that area tomorrow morning, and I'll be taking some pictures, and so keep us up in prayer, and we'll send more detailed, and we'll be dispatching some samples of seeds that we've collected, which are the finest here. And so I will look forward to starting Seeds Coffee India very soon. God bless you guys.